Fantasy sports with crypto prizes. Develop a fantasy sports platform where users can create their teams and compete against each other for cryptocurrency prizes. Users can buy into leagues using cryptocurrency, and the winners receive payouts in cryptocurrency. Tokenized sports collectibles. Create a platform where sports fans can buy, sell, and trade tokenized sports collectibles using cryptocurrency. These collectibles could include digital cards, memorabilia, or even fractional ownership of sports-related assets. Sports betting with cryptocurrency. Develop a sports betting platform that accepts cryptocurrency for placing bets. Users can bet on various sports events using cryptocurrency and receive payouts in cryptocurrency as well. Blockchain-based ticketing system. Implement a blockchain-based ticketing system for sports events where fans can purchase tickets using cryptocurrency. This system can ensure transparency, prevent ticket fraud, and provide incentives such as discounts or rewards for using cryptocurrency. Content monetization for sports creators. Create a platform where sports content creators, such as bloggers, podcasters, or YouTubers, can monetize their content through cryptocurrency-based subscriptions, tips, or pay-per-view models. NFTs for exclusive sports content. Offer exclusive sports content such as behind-the-scenes footage, interviews, or limited edition highlights as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that fans can purchase using cryptocurrency. Crypto rewards for fan engagement. Develop a loyalty program for sports fans where they earn cryptocurrency rewards for engaging with content, attending events, or participating in fan activities related to their favorite teams or sports. Sports prediction markets. Launch a prediction market platform where users can trade cryptocurrency-based tokens representing predictions about sports events. These tokens can be bought and sold leading up to the event, and users earn rewards based on the accuracy of their predictions. Blockchain-based merchandise sales. Sell sports merchandise such as jerseys, hats, or memorabilia using cryptocurrency payments. Implement blockchain technology to ensure the authenticity and provenance of these items, enhancing their value to fans. Crypto-funded sports sponsorships. Facilitate sports sponsorships funded by cryptocurrency donations from fans. Allow fans to contribute cryptocurrency to sponsor their favorite teams, athletes, or events, providing exposure and financial support to the sports entities they love. Before launching any cryptocurrency-based venture targeting sports fans, ensure compliance with relevant regulations, address security concerns, and consider factors such as user experience and market demand. Additionally, building partnerships with sports organizations, leagues, or athletes can help validate your concept and attract users. Sports prediction markets. ChatGPT. Sports prediction markets can be a fascinating intersection of sports enthusiasm and financial speculation. Here's how you could set up a sports prediction market using cryptocurrency. 1. Platform development. Create a user-friendly platform accessible via web and mobile devices. Design intuitive interfaces for users to browse available markets, make predictions, and monitor their positions. Implement secure account management and cryptocurrency wallet integration for deposits, withdrawals, and trading. 2. Market selection. Offer a diverse range of sports markets including popular leagues such as NBA, NFL, Premier League, etc. Include various types of markets like match outcomes, player performances, game statistics, and championship winners. 3. Prediction trading. Allow users to buy and sell prediction shares using cryptocurrency. Use a market maker mechanism or peer-to-peer trading to facilitate liquidity. Enable users to trade prediction shares leading up to and during sporting events, with prices fluctuating based on market sentiment and real-time developments. 4. Market settlement. Automatically settle markets based on predefined criteria, e.g., match results, player statistics. Distribute payouts to users based on the outcome of settled markets, with winnings credited to their accounts in cryptocurrency. 5. Incentives and rewards. Offer incentives such as bonuses or discounts for users who provide liquidity to the market. Provide rewards, such as leaderboard rankings or loyalty points, to users who participate actively or achieve successful predictions. 6. Transparency and security. Utilize blockchain technology to ensure transparency, immutability, and security of transactions. Implement robust security measures to protect user accounts, sensitive information, and cryptocurrency assets. 7. Community engagement. Foster a vibrant community by facilitating discussions, sharing insights, and hosting events related to sports and prediction markets. Encourage user-generated content such as predictions, analysis, and market commentary. 8. Regulatory compliance. Ensure compliance with relevant regulations governing prediction markets, cryptocurrency trading, and sports betting in the jurisdictions where you operate. Obtain necessary licenses and adhere to legal requirements to operate a compliant and reputable platform. 9. Partnerships and marketing. Collaborate with sports media outlets, influencers, and organizations to promote your platform and attract users. Explore partnerships with sports leagues, teams, or athletes to enhance credibility and access to exclusive content or events. 10. Continuous improvement. Gather user feedback and analytics to iteratively improve the platform's features, user experience, and market offerings. Stay updated with sports trends and technological advancements to remain competitive and relevant in the market. By combining the excitement of sports with the potential gains of cryptocurrency trading, a well-executed sports prediction market can attract a dedicated user base and provide an engaging and rewarding experience for sports fans and investors alike. User community engagement. ChatGPT. Community engagement is crucial for the success and sustainability of a sports prediction market platform. Here are some strategies to foster a vibrant and engaged community. 1. Forums and discussion boards. Create online forums or discussion boards where users can interact, share insights, discuss predictions, and exchange strategies. Assign moderators to facilitate discussions, enforce community guidelines, and address any issues or concerns. 2. Social media presence. Maintain active profiles on popular social media platforms such as Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Share engaging content, including market updates, sports news, user-generated content, and promotional campaigns. Encourage users to follow, like, share, and comment on posts to increase visibility and reach. 3. Live events and webinars. Host live events, webinars, or AMA, Ask Me Anything, sessions featuring industry experts, sports analysts, or special guests. Provide educational content, market insights, and tips for successful prediction trading. Allow participants to ask questions, share experiences, and interact with the hosts and other attendees. 4. Contests and challenges. Organize prediction contests, challenges, or tournaments with attractive prizes and rewards for participants. Create leaderboards to track performance and recognize top predictors or contributors within the community. Promote healthy competition and encourage users to showcase their prediction skills. 5. User-generated content. Encourage users to contribute user-generated content such as prediction analyses, game previews, or post-match reviews. Feature noteworthy contributions on the platform's website, social media channels, or newsletters to highlight community members and their insights. 6. Community feedback and surveys. Solicit feedback from users through surveys, polls, or feedback forms to understand their needs, preferences, and suggestions for improvement. Actively listen to community input and prioritize initiatives based on user feedback to enhance the platform's features and user experience. 7. Ambassador Program. Tokenized sports collectibles. Create a platform where sports fans can buy, sell, and trade tokenized sports collectibles using cryptocurrency. These collectibles could include digital cards, memorabilia, or even fractional ownership of sports-related assets. Sports betting with cryptocurrency. Develop a sports betting platform that accepts cryptocurrency for placing bets. Users can bet on various sports events using cryptocurrency and receive payouts in cryptocurrency as well. Blockchain-based ticketing system. Implement a blockchain-based ticketing system for sports events where fans can purchase tickets using cryptocurrency. This system can ensure transparency, prevent ticket fraud, and provide incentives such as discounts or rewards for using cryptocurrency. Content monetization for sports creators. Create a platform where sports content creators, such as bloggers, podcasters, or YouTubers, can monetize their content through cryptocurrency-based subscriptions, tips, or pay-per-view models. NFTs for exclusive sports content offer exclusive sports content such as behind-the-scenes footage, interviews, or limited edition highlights as non-fungible tokens, NFTs, that fans can purchase using cryptocurrency. Crypto rewards for fan engagement. Develop a loyalty program for sports fans where they earn cryptocurrency rewards for engaging with content, attending events, or participating in fan activities related to their favorite teams or sports.